It's winter, and you've decided to take a few days off camping in the snow or staying in a log cabin deep in the woods. You're feeling great. It's like a winter wonderland out there. So you decide to take a little hike to soak up the nature around you. It's such a lovely day, and you only plan to be a few hours, so you just take a day pack with the bare minimum kit. You get distracted watching the local wildlife, and time flies way too quickly. You wish you had more time to spend out here as you dread going back to the daily grind. Then the sky goes dark, and within the space of a few minutes, a blizzard hits. You suddenly find yourself in a full whiteout. You can't tell which way is which. You have no idea from which way you came, and you can't see any landmarks. Your day hiking clothes quickly get covered in snow, and the wind eats through them. If you don't do something quickly, you're going to get hypothermia. Thankfully, you packed a shovel, an essential bit of winter kit, but even gloved hands would do in a pinch. But the gloves would quickly become sodden, then they'd freeze and become useless. You need to dig yourself a blizzard cave and fast to get out of the snow and wind. The snow might spin around and eddy, but the wind generally comes from one direction. Look for tongues of snow and banked drifts. The tongue will face away from the oncoming wind. Find a steep bank with plenty of snow and start digging under it, as low to the ground as possible. Pile the snow you remove from the hole around the outside to form a wall. Keep patting the overhanging snow to clear loose bits and to harden it. Packed snow begins to crystallize. Don't dig yourself completely under the snow. You just need to get yourself out of the blizzard. You need an overhang so that the snow passes over your head, and a wall around you to stop the draft. If you have a bivy bag or an orange plastic emergency bag, now is the time to use it. If you don't have a roll mat, then grab any large grass or pine boughs and make a layer of bedding with them. You need to keep yourself off of the ground. This is not a long-term shelter, although you could build on it to make it one. Its purpose is to help you survive a blizzard and a whiteout. Hunker down inside it, in a sleeping bag or a mylar blanket, and wait out the storm. Wandering around in a blizzard can get you seriously injured, even killed. In mountain terrain, exposure is the biggest killer. This type of shelter should take you 10 minutes tops. Always take emergency gear, even if you're only going for a short hike. Always let people know where you're going and when you plan to be back. As always, be free.